Here's a new twist on an old puzzle. How did this nail get in the middle of this block of wood? For that matter, how did that small hole get in the middle of the wood for the nail to fit through? Before you guess incorrectly, let me just tell you that I did not break the wood like you'd see in other YouTube videos. This is my own secret method. It's one solid block of wood. As far as I can tell, it's the only one made just like it in the whole world. You doubt me?
Come on, man.
Check it out for yourself. Google it. I'll wait. See, I told you. This thing took me 10 years to develop in the laboratory. Okay, well, that part might be just a little exaggerated. But I didn't soak the wood in water. I didn't bend the wood. I didn't bend the nail. I didn't even paint this. I left it all natural so you can see if I did any funny business with the wood. As you can see, there's a single nail. No camera tricks. Now, what you've probably all been waiting for. The secret. How did I do it? For that, you're going to have to flip over to my other YouTube channel called Dad Magic. And while you're there perusing some videos, check out some like Ace in the Hole, the multiplying dots, the vanishing dollar bill trick. They're all really cool DIY magic tricks. Do a little binge watching of Dad Magic. It's better than Netflix. And of course, there will be more Allie Picked coming soon. One more thing. To add to the mystery of this trick, I can remove the nail in about 10 seconds without any tools.